Hello. Welcome back to UD Creations. Today I'm going to make a refreshing summertime juice using oranges, lemons, apples, and also pineapples. So I'm going to use my juicer here to make some fresh juice. So I'm going to get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my fruit here in the basket of my juicer. As you can see, might see some orange peel on this juicer. Will peel your oranges. Will peel your apples also. So you see the apples? Didn't peel them. Gonna put some pineapples in here. Have green apples. Get started. Let it start. See the pulp coming out on this side here, and the juice will go on this side there. Has a little opening at the top too. You want to open up the top completely. Put it in there. So as it starts to fill, then I'm gonna release the juice. Can see we're actually getting down to the end. This container here is already full, so I'm going to actually have to sit another container to catch the rest of the juice. The remaining juice I've already emptied. Fresh cold pressed. This drink is delicious, loaded with vitamin C. As you can see, I put it in my little jug here, and I have me a glass full here. This is a great summertime refreshing fruit juice. All fruit juice, cold pressed. I made it with lemon, oranges, green apples, red apples, and pineapples. This drink is delicious. You should try it. I'm telling you, it's really, really good. Especially, it's refreshing. Drop you some ice cubes in it. See, I put me a few strawberries on it, on my little glass here. I actually dropped some in my juice also. This juice is really, really good. You should try it. And let me know how it comes out for you, how you like the taste of it, because it tastes really, really good. Really fresh. This is some good juice. So that concludes my video. I just want to show you guys what I make some time in the summertime with my juicer, some organic cold pressed fruit juice using all fresh fruits. So if you I'm gonna actually leave the description below, leave the recipe in the description so you guys can see how I made it. But it's really, really simple, really easy to make. You can actually add whatever you like to add in there. And I meant to actually add some strawberries in there and forgot once I had my juice was over, once I was done juicing. But thank you all for watching. Try to keep cool today. It's a little warm here. Keep cool, stay cool, keep God first, and continue to pray for the people, the victims of the flood in Texas. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day today. Bye-bye.